is reaching to the heart of you. Is as simple and true as the love you inspire in me. So let me fall. If I go